In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply TradingView Screener to watchlist stocks. By the end, you'll know how to focus your analysis on the tickers you already care about and then fine-tune that list using powerful filters. All inside TradingView. Start by opening TradingView. On the top navigation bar, go to the Products menu. From there, select Screeners and choose Stocks. This opens the Stock Screener table, which is essentially a dynamic spreadsheet of market data. You'll see columns for price, change, volume, performance, and indicators. Think of this as your control center for scanning the market. Now let's connect the screener to your existing watch lists. In the top left corner of the screener table, look for a drop-down that probably says All or shows a default list name. Click that drop-down to reveal your saved watch lists. These are the same lists you use in your sidebar. And this is how you tell the screener to only consider symbols you already track. Choose the watch list you want to analyze. As soon as you select it, the table updates to display only those stocks. This is great for cutting out noise and keeping your workflow focused. If you maintain multiple watch lists, you can quickly switch between them using the same drop-down to compare different groups like long-term holdings, swing trades, or sector-specific lists. With your watch list applied, it's time to narrow things down at the top of the table. You'll see filters for criteria like sector, price, RSI, and SA. Use these to shape the list to your strategy. For example, you can filter by sector to isolate technology or healthcare names. Set a price range that matches your risk tolerance, or use RSI to find potentially overbought or oversold conditions. Small filters help you focus on trend direction, like symbols trading above or below a chosen moving average. Add filters gradually, so you can see how each one changes the list. If you tighten the criteria too much and the list gets empty, simply relax or remove a filter to bring candidates back. When you are ready to visualize, click the Charts button within the screener. This displays charts for the filtered watchlist stocks simultaneously, making it easy to spot patterns, momentum, and key levels without jumping back and forth. Use this view to quickly compare setups and confirm that the data-driven filters align with what you see on the charts. That's it. Thanks for watching.